Welcome to Solver99, where your trading journey meets innovation, security, and opportunity. Whether you're just starting or already a seasoned trader, Solver99 is designed to empower you with cutting-edge tools and access to global markets, all under one regulated, secure platform. With our global presence in Switzerland, the United Kingdom, Netherlands, Australia, and Canada, we bring world-class support and reliability no matter where you are. Trade with confidence in Forex, Indices, Commodities, Metals, Equities, and Cryptocurrencies, all in one intuitive platform designed for speed and simplicity. Not ready to dive in yet? Test your strategies and sharpen your skills in our free monthly competitions. No entry fee, just pure excitement and thrilling rewards. Your security is our priority. As a regulated broker, we uphold the highest standards in compliance, transparency, and data protection. Getting started is simple. Open an account, explore our features, and start trading on any device, anytime, anywhere. Join thousands of traders redefining their future with Solver99. Visit Solver99 and start your trading journey today. Solver99, your gateway to smarter trading.